Okay, so this is a tutorial how to type an emoji on Live or Premiere or anything like that. First off, you type this. After this, you type the name of the emoji you want. Like, I want smile. Boom. Look, oh god. I smile, then you this and boom. And you can also use other such as stay home and also elbow cough. And you can after you type the name of the emoji, this is not an emoji. You need to put another. You need to do this. Now, if you type a name of an emoji that exists, smile. Yeah, it's kind of like this. You need to do it like this. And boom! This is how to make an emoji. By the way, this is for even.